Hemirha Ravikumar. I just graduated from Law of Attraction HEADSTART batch for 2021 and 2022. Glad to meet you all. Hope you all take care and stay safe. So what are the challenges that I faced before I entered HEADSTART batch? Actually, to be honest, is that when it comes to university students, time management is a really challenging thing for me first, and second, to improve my grades, because eventually when my first test and second test I can see that my results are not really good as I expected. So I have a conversation with Kavina Akka and Kavida Akka. So, and then the good thing is Kavida Akka also is my senior, so they both really guide me as throughout the thing. And then the second challenge is obviously my health, because fitness and then your diets are really important, and you're young, you have to really keep your body healthy, your mind relaxed and everything. So that was one. And then my sleeping habits as well. Three changes that I've seen when after entering this is one of the most I can see is that the time management. Yeah, I have a bad time management, Then both Kavina Akka and Kavina Akka and their family really guide me how to manage your time, what is really important, what you should do, what do you want. That constantly, okay, if there's any problem, okay, now what I need to do that time, what do I want now? So that phrase is really strike me. So every time when I face a problem, I always ask myself, now what do I want? So that is something that I will never let it go in my life also, because that phrase really strikes on me. So why I'm saying time manage, because when I'm doing my assignments, I will be like, oh, I can't solve this problem. So I always will use this phrase during my for facing these kind of problems in my studies first. And then second is my health wise, when in my sleeping habits now, I'm sleeping very early, I have a good rest, and I can see so many changes. And then one more thing is that I'm doing yoga, and it's really new for me. And thank you to Kavida Akka for introducing me yoga, because something new for me, even though I heard but I have never tried. I will do just only workout exercises, but yoga is something really good. I will recommend for everyone to join with Kavida Akka also as well. And then third is coffee. I'm a coffee addict, so to eliminate that habit is really hard. But after a lot of things, then I started to take milk, I drink a lot of water, I choose another healthy beverages instead of coffee, so which I can see much more improvement in my healthy lifestyle actually. So 3 things that impacted my life is, one, I'm going to wait for my results, which is in the end of this month. I'll get it. My semester 1 is really can't wait, because that is going to be my biggest impact, one. And then second will be communication, because every day you are meeting new people, and then there is communication. Maybe you can communicate for many purposes. It can be studies, it can be your relationship with family, or anything, any matter, but communication is the key to actually build a healthy relationship and everything. So that is what I really learned. LOA team really guide me on that, and then they really guide actually. I really learned a lot of things, which I really shared to my sisters, my parents, my relatives, my friends, about what is to be a good communicator, a good listener, why you need to communicate good, why you need to be a listener and everything. And then third is obviously is my health. Really, I can see a lot of improvement. Last time I was quite lazy, but now I feel like I'm really energetic because I'm doing yoga, I'm exercising, I'm eating healthy, I'm doing what I love. And then that's the thing that really makes me happy and benefits me as well. So this is how to be a supercharged family. This book is actually a good book, recommended for everyone out there. It's really worth it. You read and go through the book. Every content is really good. It really has connected with everyone's life. I'm really pretty sure. So really recommending you all to read this book. So I would like to thank everyone, each and everyone who has been part in the LOA HEADSTART batch. Lots of love from Hemi, and bye!